Hey, it's your movement docs, Nolan and Dom, back talking about how to avoid being a hunchback. Right, this next exercise is a little more feel good, a little more passive. So for this exercise, you'll need 2 yoga blocks, and we call this the snow angel. One of the yoga blocks is going to go across your back, right about mid-back, right behind your heart. That's a good reference. Okay, and the other one's going to be vertical, or you basically create an upside down T with the yoga blocks, and that block is for your head. So adjust the block as needed to go under your head. So even in this position right now, if she just lays here, her shoulders are gonna drop down, start to open her chest, and then naturally it's gonna cause that extension or that opposite motion of the hunchback. So you're kind of undoing it, right? To make it a little more active here, we can act like we're creating snow angels, so she can reach over her head and then just sweep the arms down like she's doing a snow angel, and that's why we call it the snow angel.
Ooh,
right?
Feels amazing.
This will help activate some of those muscles opposing the pecs, or that help pull the shoulders back to open the chest and the upper back. So there you have it. That is the snow angel and yoga blocks. Like, follow, subscribe.
Oh, be body wise.